Diabetes Unlocked, Top 7 Best Meats You Must Know. Are you tired of feeling like your diabetes is dictating what you can and can't eat? Do you feel confused about choosing the right meats? Well, you're not alone. As a medical professional specializing in metabolic health, I've seen firsthand the power of diet in managing diabetes, and it all starts with knowing what to eat. Today, I'm cutting through the noise and revealing the top 7 meats that can not only satisfy your cravings but also help you control your blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and improve your overall health. Forget restrictive diets, this is about making smart, delicious choices. Let's dive in. Hello everyone, and welcome to Healthy Inside. Today, we're tackling a topic close to the hearts and plates of many: diabetes and meat. Now, I know the word meat might cause a little apprehension, especially if you're dealing with diabetes. There's so much misinformation out there. But here's the truth: not all meats are created equal. Some can spike your blood sugar and increase your risk of heart issues, while others can be your ally in achieving better health. The key is understanding how different types of meat impact our bodies. We need to focus on lean proteins that won't send our blood sugar soaring, provide essential nutrients, and contribute to a balanced lifestyle. So, we're going to be breaking down the science behind these recommendations and what makes them diabetic-friendly. Let's begin our journey. 1. The power of skinless chicken breast. Let's begin with a classic, skinless chicken breast. This is not just a convenient option but a powerhouse of lean protein. Think of it as your body's very own repair crew. Protein is vital for rebuilding muscle tissue, crucial for energy production, and it's what keeps you feeling full, so you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks. But the real magic of chicken breast lies in its low-fat content, specifically the absence of saturated fat. For people with diabetes, we always want to lower the amount of saturated fat intake because this kind of fat is strongly linked with increased insulin resistance, elevated cholesterol levels, and the progression of heart disease. Conditions that are, unfortunately, quite common amongst people living with diabetes. Now, let's not confuse our protein choices. Darker cuts of chicken, like thighs or drumsticks, are higher in fat, which could cause blood sugar spikes. Stick with the breast and remove the skin before cooking to maximize its health benefits. Protein plays an indirect but crucial role in blood sugar control. When we eat protein, it slows down the absorption of carbohydrates in our digestive tract. This means blood sugar rises more slowly, preventing the notorious spikes that can damage blood vessels and overwork the pancreas. It also promotes satiety, meaning you feel full longer, reducing the temptation to overeat. Don't just boil the chicken and be done with it. Baking, grilling, or roasting will enhance its flavor without adding excess fats. Experiment with herbs and spices like garlic, rosemary, or turmeric for an antioxidant-rich twist. 2. The Omega-3 Symphony, Salmon and Fatty Fish. Next, let's dive into the ocean's bounty: salmon and other fatty fish like sardines and anchovies. Think of them as little capsules of wellness packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These aren't just any fats, they are essential fats, meaning our bodies can't produce them, and we must get them from our diet. Omega-3s are game changers when it comes to managing diabetes because of their powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is a silent epidemic among people with diabetes, and it contributes to insulin resistance, heart disease, and other complications. Omega-3s work to cool down this inflammation from the inside out, improving your overall metabolic health. Furthermore, they also improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body becomes more responsive to insulin, enabling better glucose control. What's also impressive about salmon and other fatty fish is their low glycemic impact. They provide a steady stream of energy without the blood sugar spikes we are so wary of. In other words, these fish are your allies for a happy and healthy life. The benefits of omega-3 fatty acids extend far beyond blood sugar control. They are essential for brain function, cardiovascular health, and can even help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. So by eating more fatty fish, you're not just managing diabetes, you're investing in your whole health. A story of transformation, the fisherman with diabetes. I once had a patient, a fisherman in his late 50s, who was struggling to manage his type 2 diabetes. He was hesitant to change his diet drastically, feeling like he was missing out on the foods he loved. However, by making one simple switch, incorporating salmon and sardines into his diet 3 to 4 times a week, his blood sugar levels stabilized considerably. He reported feeling more energetic, had less joint pain, and his mood improved significantly. He didn't need much convincing to keep this going. This is just one example showing the transformative power of diet. He even went on to teach his neighbors about these superfoods and what positive impacts they have on health. Make sure you're sourcing your fish responsibly. Baking or grilling with a touch of lemon, herbs, or a sprinkle of garlic will enhance the flavor. Pair it with greens like kale or spinach for a super healthy, delicious meal. You might want to choose wild salmon instead of farmed for more health benefits. 3. Pork tenderloin, the underrated protein champion. Now, let's talk about an often overlooked but incredibly valuable option, pork tenderloin. Many people are often hesitant about pork, but this isn't the processed stuff. This lean cut of pork is a game changer. It's lower in saturated fat than many other cuts of pork, which is vital for people managing diabetes. Remember, too much saturated fat can raise cholesterol levels and contribute to insulin resistance, both of which are things we want to avoid. Pork tenderloin is a great alternative for those who don't want to keep eating chicken. Its lean protein helps keep blood sugar levels stable, aids in muscle repair, and is a good source of essential nutrients. It's also incredibly versatile in how you can cook it, making it easy to incorporate into your daily meals. The misconception around pork often stems from associating it with processed meats like bacon and sausage. However, fresh cuts like pork tenderloin are different. They provide quality protein without the excessive saturated fat and sodium found in processed versions, making them a safer choice for diabetics. Get creative with pork tenderloin. You can roast it with herbs and garlic, slice it into medallions and pan-sear it, or slow cook it for a tender, juicy result. Serve it with roasted vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and cauliflower for a balanced, diabetic-friendly meal. 4. The right way to enjoy red meat, filet mignon. Red meat often gets a bad reputation, but let's set the record straight. When consumed in moderation and prepared properly, red meat can still be a valuable source of protein, even for people with diabetes. Now, we're not talking about those fatty cuts, we're focusing on lean choices like filet mignon. Filet mignon is a prime example of lean red meat, with very little visible fat. Opting for lean cuts helps you enjoy the rich flavor of red meat without the risks of unhealthy fats. The protein in red meat is essential for muscle repair and maintaining energy levels, which is important for people with diabetes. However, moderation is the key. Excessive consumption of red meat, especially fatty cuts, can make blood sugar levels harder to control and increase the risk of heart disease. The protein in red meat contains essential amino acids, vital for building and repairing tissues. However, the key is to choose lean cuts and prepare them in a way that avoids adding unhealthy fats. Portion control is also crucial to enjoy the benefits without the drawbacks. Grilling, baking, or broiling filet mignon are the best ways to cook it. Avoid frying or adding a lot of fat to maintain its lean profile. Pair it with non-starchy vegetables such as broccoli, spinach, or cauliflower for a complete, balanced, and healthy meal. 5. Skinless white meat turkey, the underdog champion. Let's move on to another fantastic choice, skinless white meat turkey. Now, I'm not talking about the processed deli turkey that often comes with added sugars and sodium. I'm talking about freshly cooked, skinless turkey breast. This is a true gem for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Turkey breast is exceptionally low in fat, particularly saturated fat. This makes it an ideal option for lowering blood sugar and maintaining a healthy heart. It's also a fantastic source of essential nutrients like niacin and selenium, which are crucial for supporting your immune system and boosting your energy levels. And let's not forget its protein and low-calorie content, which helps manage weight, which is critical for people living with diabetes. Unprocessed turkey breast is an excellent source of tryptophan, an amino acid that our bodies use to produce serotonin, which is important for regulating our mood and sleep. So, adding turkey to your diet can also have positive effects on your mental and emotional health. The power of storytelling. The weightlifter who used turkey. I recall another patient of mine, a dedicated weightlifter who, in her late 40s, was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. She was worried she'd have to drastically change her diet and workouts. We worked together, and we agreed that skinless turkey breast was going to be her new best friend. She began incorporating it into almost every meal she had. And not long after, her blood sugar levels stabilized and her energy levels improved. She was still able to maintain her workouts and achieve her fitness goals. This is just an example of what's possible with the right approach. Roasted, herbed turkey breast is an easy and delicious way to prepare it. Use herbs and spices for extra flavor without adding sugars or carbs. Enjoy it with low-carb vegetables like green beans or zucchini for a perfect diabetic-friendly meal. 6. The versatility of poultry, more than just chicken and turkey. Now, let's expand our horizons. When we talk about poultry, we're not just limited to chicken and turkey. Let's include duck. Duck, while it's considered a richer choice, offers a different flavor profile and is packed with healthy fats that are good for the heart when consumed in moderation. Poultry in general is an outstanding source of lean protein, which, as we've discussed, helps control blood sugar levels and offers crucial nutrients for overall health. These lean cuts are low in calories and packed with vitamins like B6 and niacin, which help boost energy production and support your metabolism. Whether it's classic chicken, lean turkey, or the occasional duck, poultry provides you with a world of options for healthy, balanced meals. Different types of poultry offer different nutrient profiles. Duck, for instance, is higher in iron and certain B vitamins than chicken or turkey. The key is to enjoy a variety within moderation, especially when it comes to duck. Roasting is generally the best approach, as it helps retain moisture and flavor without adding excess fat. Try integrating duck into dishes like Peking duck or ginger duck. Make these traditional recipes healthier by pairing the duck with low-carb cauliflower rice. It is important that we experiment in the kitchen so that we don't get bored with eating healthy foods. That's how you make eating healthy sustainable for a long term, as a lifelong habit. This combination is not only delicious but also keeps your blood sugar levels stable. Feel free to be creative with spices and herbs. 7. The nutritional powerhouses, organ meats. Lastly, let's talk about a category that is often overlooked but is a nutritional powerhouse, organ meats. This includes things like liver, kidney, heart, and tongue. If you're an adventurous eater, this could be a game changer for your diabetes management. Organ meats are incredibly nutrient-dense, rich in fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are essential for supporting your immune system, promoting healthy vision, and regulating blood sugar levels. Additionally, vitamin B12, found abundantly in organ meats, is vital for energy production and nerve health, which is beneficial for people managing diabetes, as neuropathy is common amongst them. Organ meats are one of the most concentrated sources of vitamins and minerals available in any food. However, they are also higher in cholesterol, so it's crucial to consume them in moderation and within the context of a balanced diet. For most people, including organ meats 1 to 2 times a week is a safe and effective way to boost their nutrient intake. If you're new to the world of organ meats, start slowly. A great way to introduce them into your diet is by mixing them with ground beef. Start with a ratio of 70% beef to 30% organ meat. This way, you enjoy the nutrient-dense benefits without overwhelming your palate. You can then use this mix in burgers, meatballs, or tacos. The options are limitless. As you become more comfortable, explore more advanced dishes. Try incorporating organ meats into Vietnamese pho, Indian curries, or even a hearty chili. The bold flavors of these dishes can complement the unique taste of organ meats beautifully. For the more adventurous, try traditional German sausages that often include organ meats like liver and heart. Be creative and experiment with different flavors and textures that will suit your taste. The key to enjoying organ meats is to start with small portions and gradually increase as your palate adjusts. Be sure to source your organ meats from reputable suppliers to ensure quality and safety. Empowering your health journey. Managing diabetes effectively is a holistic journey, and food is a major component. It's not about restriction but making informed, smart choices. By including these 7 meats into your diet, you are one step closer to better blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and improved overall well-being. From lean chicken breasts and heart-healthy salmon, to versatile pork tenderloin, and nutrient-packed organ meats, the variety on your plate will also enrich your life. Remember, these are not just recommendations, they are the result of years of research and clinical experience. They are choices rooted in science that can make a real difference in your life. Now, you have the tools to start experimenting in your own kitchens, and to embark on this journey of eating healthy. Before making any drastic changes to your diet, it's essential to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. Every person is different, and there may be other considerations for your health. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Now, I want to hear from you. Which meat are you most excited to try? Or do you have a favorite that you incorporate into your diabetic-friendly meals? Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments section below. Your stories and questions are valuable to our community, and help us learn more together. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to Healthy Inside for more evidence-based health tips. Check out the description box below for more helpful resources, including more videos about living healthily with diabetes. Thank you for joining me today on your path to better health. Remember, you have the power to take control of your blood sugar and to live your best and healthiest life. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, take care.